probability practice exercises 78 and 79. So as of Wednesday, December 19th, 2018, the odds against the Chicago Bears winning the Super Bowl were 40-1. So remember, odds against are failure to success. So we're saying that failure is 40, success is 1. So that would make the odds in favor, since odds in favor is success to failures, that would be the ratio of 1 to 40. So the probability of the Bears winning, remember that success over the total of success plus failures, that's going to be 1 over 40 plus 1 is going to be 41. 79. According to the American Cancer Society, the probability of a man developing cancer in their lifetime is 40 hundredths. Okay, so we need to think of, again, what this means. I just said 40 hundredths, which is the proper way of saying that. And that can be reduced to 4 tenths and even further to 2/5. So we're saying success is 2. And failure, we can't put that 5 there, right? Because remember, probability is success over success plus failure. So then that means that we're going to have to take that 5 minus 2, and the failure is going to be 3. Let's double check it, okay? So this, again, was success. This was success plus failure. 2 plus 3 is 5. So I think we got it. All right, so they're looking for, on A, the odds in favor. That's ratio of success to failure, so that's 2 to 3. And B was odds against. And just to remind you, that's the ratio of failure to success. So that is 3 to 2.